Understanding Money Spinner, a guide to profitable phrases. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, money spinner. Whether you're an English learner or simply love to enrich your vocabulary, this video is for you. We'll explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations to sound like a native speaker. The term, money spinner, refers to a product, service, or activity that generates a substantial amount of profit. It's something that turns out to be surprisingly or consistently lucrative. Picture a device that spins, and every time it spins, it produces money. That's the metaphorical imagery behind this phrase. Let's spin our way into history to uncover the origin of money spinner. It's believed to have emerged from the idea of a spinning wheel, which was used to spin thread or yarn, being so productive that it's as if it's spinning money. It's a phrase that caught on because it evokes such a vivid picture of effortless profit. Now, let's put money spinner into action. You might say, her new cookbook has become a real money spinner, with thousands of copies sold in the first week. Or, investing in that technology startup was a gamble, but it turned out to be a huge money spinner for the investors. And that's a wrap on money spinner. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence. It's always rewarding to add such expressive terms to your language arsenal. Until next time, keep spinning those words into conversational gold.